Restore performance with expert diagnosis of BMW clutch pedal issues. Clutch pedal issues can disrupt smooth driving and reduce overall performance in your BMW. Timely inspection and repair are essential to maintaining comfort and long-term reliability. Professional diagnosis ensures accurate detection of hidden problems affecting the clutch system. Identifying common symptoms. Difficulty pressing the clutch pedal or inconsistent pedal resistance during everyday driving. Hard shifting or grinding gears when engaging or releasing the clutch while driving. Unusual noises such as squeaks, rattles, or pedal vibrations that indicate internal wear. Possible causes of clutch pedal problems. Worn out clutch master or slave cylinder often leads to hydraulic pressure loss and poor engagement. Damaged or stretched clutch cable affects pedal response, creating difficulty in smooth operation. Hydraulic system leaks lower pressure, causing slipping, weak engagement, or overall clutch failure. Why professional diagnosis matters. Experts use advanced tools to accurately identify faults in the clutch system. Early detection prevents minor issues from escalating into expensive transmission repairs. Professional service ensures genuine BMW parts are used, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. Conclusion. Prompt diagnosis and repair restore clutch efficiency, ensuring smoother gear shifting and improved driving comfort. Addressing problems early protects the drivetrain and reduces the risk of costly repairs. Expert care maintains BMW performance, safety, and extends the overall lifespan of your vehicle.